Hi guys, it's Fat Petrol Head here, and today the worst condition car I ever driven, Toyota Highlander 2008 Hybrid. This car has a really tough story. First of all, several owners in the US, then crashed in the US, and then repaired in Georgia, which is not in the US. And also now it works as a rent-a-car. Now it has about 200,000 miles on the clock. I don't know whether it's an original mileage or not, but to be honest, as per the condition of the car, it should be dead, but it still runs. When you first try to drive this car, it seems that every part in it, if it's not broken, but is not working correctly at least. You have very strange noises from everywhere, from the steering, from the suspension, from the engine, when engine switches to the EV battery. Every time you have a strange noise that you don't expect to hear. Of course, from this car you cannot also expect a good wheel alignment, so the car is not driving straight when you go forward on the highway. So it is a little bit scary to drive this car, to be honest. Of course, while repairing this car after the accident, nobody wanted or tried to repair the safety system, so you cannot expect that there would be any airbags installed in this car. Today I plan approximately 400 kilometers road trip with a lot of mountain roads on it. And of course I would prefer any other car for this trip. However, now it is a peak season here in Georgia and it is very hard to find any car. With this car in this condition, you just have to follow all speed limits instructions, otherwise it becomes extremely dangerous for your life. What I also noticed with this car is that there is absolutely no reason to buy an old hybrid car, because this battery is useless. For example, when you are standing with a turned on AC, it works for about 15 seconds and then turn on the engine. However, the weight of this dead battery of course would affect your handling, your acceleration and also fuel efficiency. Toyota Highlander was engineered as a family SUV, so of course it should have some off-road abilities. However, with these stupid side seals, you always worried about how not to leave them on any country road, so it is extremely inconvenient to go off-roading, even a light one, on this car. This road trip could be ideal in any other type of car, even Ford Focus, but driving this Toyota, you just always scary and never excited. Now this Toyota decided that it doesn't need this audio regulation thing anymore. My short road trip is almost ended without any serious technical problems from the car. It was quite stressful and I always thought about being in another car in this trip. I normally don't enjoy Toyota cars at all, except true off-roaders. I think that Toyotas are quite boring, bad in handling, and also they are outdated in case of interiors, design and all that stuff. But this car, to be honest, impressed me. It should be already in the junkyard. However, it now works every day as a rental car. And in this company they have a lot of cars in kind of the same condition, and all of them are Toyotas. I wish you all guys never to drive such condition car. However, I believe that this Toyota deserved a like. If you are on this channel for some time and you want more test drives, please write below in comments. And of course, subscribe if you are new here. Thank you for watching and see you you soon, or right now if you click one of these two videos. I hope you will enjoy them as well. And if you are wondering why I didn't tell you anything about the model, it is just because there is nothing left in this car from its original condition and how it was engineered.